Right guys, it's a little bit breezy, but I'm going to have a go flying the helicopter. Oops, I have to throttle up a bit quicker than that, I think. I'm getting blown away. I had to cut the throttle there because it was blowing me away. I did think it might land in the pond, but never fear, because the pond is frozen over. Well, it's quite breezy. I could take off from the water. Oh, mind the strings, mind around the pole. Oh, hit around the pole strings. This is a laugh. Let's try that again. I've got full forward on. There we go. Oh, it's gusting around the garden here. I wonder if I can land back on the pond. I'll do it. Ian's RC exploits. Come on. You can do it. Oh, it's all over the place. Oh, the breeze, the breeze. Abort. This way. Come on, no, don't blow, no. Right, okay. Look, you can see from the snow it's quite breezy. Try it again. Yes, well, a landing's a landing. This is mad. Oh dear, this is mad. Come on, Cliff. Come on now. Focus. Battery's going, I'm on full throttle. Oh, I missed my chance. Oh. Not sure I've got any more power left, guys. Here we go. Oh, just enough to lift off. That's it. Battery's gone. I can't climb. So there we are. Oh, it was a bit of fun, wasn't it? That was fun, guys. Now let's go in for a nice cocoa. It's freezing. Gordon Bennett, sir. Oh. Well, there we are. Always wanted to fly in the snow. I think maybe that was enough. See you in the next video.